Hello, this is CNN and I'm Dominic reporting live from CNN New York. On Friday at approximately 4:30 p.m., the state of Oklahoma was ravaged by a series of devastating tornadoes, most of them between Category 3 and a Category 5. Two CNN correspondents, Bill and Joe, were on the scene on an Oklahoma farm, witnessing it being destroyed by a Category 4 tornado. They managed to capture this incredible footage of the farm being swept away by these deadly forces of nature. Let's take a look. That was the incredible footage shot by our two CNN correspondents, Bill and Joe, of the devastating Category 5 tornado sweeping through Oklahoma. Fortunately, due to early warning systems, there weren't any injuries or casualties in the area. Until next time, this is CNN. I'm Dominic reporting live from our bureau in New York. See you next time.